Ever wished you could explore your digital game library in a whole new tongue? It's surprisingly simple to change the display language on your Steam client, and in this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through every step to personalize your experience. First, locate the Steam logo in the top left corner of your Steam client window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Settings option. This action will open the Steam settings window on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Click on the Interface category to access language-related options. Within the interface settings, you'll find a language drop-down menu. Click on this menu to display a comprehensive list of available languages. Browse through the list and click on your desired language for demonstration. We'll select German. Once you've made your selection, click the OK button at the bottom of the settings window to confirm your choice. Steam will then prompt you to restart the client. For the changes to take effect, click the Restart Steam button. As Steam reloads, all your menus, buttons, and game information will now be displayed in your chosen language. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Steam display language, opening up a world of new possibilities for your gaming journey. Enjoy exploring Steam in your preferred language.